Greetings everyone, it's our third day in Vagamon. Today we started early at 5:50 am for an off-road adventure to the hilltop to catch the sunrise. Climate is perfect and all are waiting for sun to rise. When the views are that good, the wait isn't really a wait at all. Waiting is also a pleasure here as the views are simply mesmerizing. Simply enjoying everything here. The view, the nature, colors of the sky, everything. Finally, the wait is over. It's honestly amazing how the sky just completely transformed from total darkness into all these shades of orange and pink. Beautiful. इस तरफ आओ तो रोशनी आएगा धीरे We took lot of photos and videos and then we started for our next destination, enjoying the off-road beautiful views and the bumpy ride. Next destination was Uluppunni waterfall and tunnel. So this is also a very good place. It's an off-road ride. Our next destination is Tea Garden for photos and videos. Just want to share one thing. We just came here expecting a very cold weather, but we came here, it was not cold at all. Okay, only mornings and evenings were very pleasant and cold, but afternoon was quite hot. We were told that December is one of the best time to visit here in Vagamon, as it is very cold during December, very cold here in December. But we came in January. January is not that. We came in January, that too after 15th. So it was not cold here. It was very hot in afternoons. But morning and evening were very pleasant here. So I think the best time to visit Vagamon is after monsoon or during monsoon time, to see the greenery, green patches. And if you want to enjoy the cool weather, it is December. This is the suicide point. Okay, from here you can see the full mountain ranges. It's a very beautiful place. After checking out from our previous resort, we went for lunch, and after lunch we checked in this Orange Valley resort. It is a very beautiful resort. I think one of the best resort in Vagamon. This resort is in the hilltop, so you have a 360 view of Vagamon hills, and so many amenities are here. Children play area, swimming pool is there, restaurant is there, and so many places to roam around. You can have a good, very good view of sunrise and sunset. From here you can see the adventure park and Tangalpara, and pine forest is also very nearby. Our room was in the first floor of this villa. This is our bedroom. This villa was very much view centric. So you have view from every side. There were two big windows in the bedroom with a very good view, and this is a living room, and from living room there is a balcony in the back side, which will give you very good view. From here you can see Tangalpara and adventure park from here itself. And this is the second balcony in the front side of the villa. Here you can have the front view. Sunrise After that, we went to a small hilltop area, which is the part of Orange Valley Resort only. Uh, from that, you can have a 360 view of full all the hills, and we were there till the sunset. At night, there was a bonfire